Okay, here we have a 16-week German short hair pointer. The male puppy, 16-week. Complete all puppy shots. Eyes on the bird. Eyes on the bird. Eyes on the bird. Eyes on the bird, that means he's ready to learn, okay? Interest on the bird, so it's gonna be easier in the future if you training him. Okay. Whoa! This is a pheasant wing right here. Still need a lot of training. At least any interest in the bird, and that will be easier. Whoa! Good catch. Sometimes you gotta let him have it. Let him have a little taste of it. Okay. Good boy. 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 Come on. Whoa. Whoa. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Whoa. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Whoa. Right here. 16-week guy. Beautiful. Beautiful puppy. Awesome. Awesome bloodline right here. Son of Sabon right here. Okay. Good boy. Good boy. 16-week. Whoa. 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 Good boy. Whoa. Whoa. That's the bird right there. Good boy. Good boy. Awesome. Whoa. Whoa. 16-week. Beautiful puppy. That's a beautiful bird machine right here. Whoa! Good boy. Good boy. Whoa! 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 Nope. Okay. That's good. Okay, here we have a 16-week puppy. Mel. Let's see how he do. Come on, puppy. Whoa. Whoa. Good boy. Good boy. 16-week puppy. Come on. Find the bird. Whoa. Whoa. Good boy. Good boy. Whoa. Whoa. Good boy. Whoa. Good boy. Good boy. Pretty good point. You're doing good. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Whoa. 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 Good boy.